got that coming. So definitely gotta be doing some drone footage here soon. I gotta learn how to operate this drone. I gotta get a I think it's called like a, yeah, I hear Eagle sounds so good. I gotta get an FAA, I think it's like a Part 107 or something like that. Gotta pass this test because I want to start doing commercial, well not commercial, but I want to start doing videos for pay when I get this thing, the drone footage. The only way you can get paid is you got to have that certification. So that's one of the things I'll be working on as soon as I get this drone going to the test. And actually I'll probably start studying for the test immediately. Actually I'll probably start doing that today, even though I don't have the drone yet. Let's tighten this thing up. It's just flying all over the place. How about that? There we go. I think that's it. I think we should be good now. There we go. Nice and sturdy. But yeah, I definitely gotta get this Part 107. So let's start doing some things for some businesses, as well as creating content for other people for pay. Y'all definitely know I like doing the car stuff. So I'm definitely looking forward to doing some car footage with the drone. Just kind of excited because it's something new. Learning new things is always interesting. It's always something fun for me to do. I always like trying new things, learning new things. So this would be something that I'll add to my content creation portfolio, which I'm extremely looking forward to doing. Something I actually always wanted to do, like ever since these drones become more popular. I've just always been looking at them, but just never dove into it. So now I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna take a leap of faith and just jump into it, learn, watch a lot of videos, do a lot of reading, learn how to work this equipment, this drone, learn how to fly it properly, and then also learn the laws around it, the FAA laws, where I can fly it, where I can't fly it at, things like that. Make sure I'm staying out of trouble, most importantly, you know, because there's rules and regulations to it. And I just want to learn everything I can, so I know, make sure I'm doing everything the right way. And then also starting a business with the thing, you know. Been looking at some realtor groups, thinking about, you know, once I get proficient at using the equipment, reaching out to them, maybe doing some things for realtors, like some homes, new builds, things like that when they're trying to sell it. Doing some aerial footage of the house from the outside, as well as learning how to navigate the drone through the inside of the house. I think that'd be cool, super dope. And then just other things, like I said, car footage, most definitely doing some car footage for some car content creators. That's definitely on my list of things to do, you know, in and out footage of them driving their car, aerial footage of their car moving and stuff. Just getting some cool action shots of driving footage, I think, from an aerial view. That's definitely what I think I'll focus my business aspect on. That'll be my target audience, my target consumer. So yeah, just really looking forward to this. I've been watching a lot of videos the past few days. Like I said, I'm still waiting for my actual drone to come in the mail. I'm actually waiting for it to be shipped. So man, just stay tuned, guys. This is gonna be a journey. I'm gonna take you guys on a journey. I mean, that's the whole purpose why I'm doing this video. Just letting you guys know that your boy's gonna be doing some drone content creation here. They're gonna be starting a business, and I'm gonna show you guys the beginnings, like everything I go through. Oh man, I don't know what came off this truck. Everything that I go through from the ground up, from me getting the equipment, from me learning the equipment, from me taking the test on getting the 107 for the FAA license, to me hopefully, prayerfully passing the test, to me getting my first client. Like, I'm just gonna take you guys on a journey. I think, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. That's the journey. That's the direction of this channel and this page. And already doing content creation from a short film short reel concept, YouTube shorts, Instagram reels, TikToks. So I'm already doing that stuff, and I'm getting better and better at it each and every day. Matter of fact, give me a follow on Instagram, M2_Black Eagle. That's my car page. Give me a follow on Instagram as well, at Rituals. That's a collaboration with this page, of course. You know, you see lifestyle content on my journey, my drone. I'll be putting more drone videos up there because I got to build this portfolio. I'm going to be working with businesses and reaching out to people. I have to build a portfolio and show them my actual work. So that's where a lot of my drone footage scenes are going to be posted, especially the short form is on my Instagram page, as well as I'll be posting some stuff on Facebook as well, because you know, they got Facebook Reels. So just want to let you guys know while I'm out here going to get some, I guess it's kind of like a vlog or whatever, to let you guys know what I'll be doing in the future. So we'll be doing some drone footage. I'll be starting a drone business here very shortly, and I'm gonna take you guys on a journey, and hopefully we can make this thing a success, and then I'll give you guys the blueprint on how to start your own journey. How does that sound? All right, y'all. Peace and love and many blessings. Your boy Rituals is out.